Mama soaring high in the crimson sky, Agent Orange raining down with a deadly cry. David's at the helm, carrying out the deed, following orders, fulfilling a dark creed. Whoa, whoa, the glory it brings. David, the pilot, the king of these things, flying with joy, with a menacing grin, leaving destruction while reveling in sin. Richard Nixon's call, a mission to fulfill. David takes flight, his heart with a thrill. Innocence tarnished, nature's beauty defaced, as the toxic clouds leave a lasting trace. Nature's beauty defaced, as the toxic clouds leave a lasting trace.